Hey guys, I'm your host Melvin. Welcome to M2T's Two Techlet short, informative 2-minute series. So here's the good news. iOS 14 Backtap features is live on Android now. Yeah, thanks to the guys from XDA. So what it does is you can assign double tap or triple tap to the back of the phone to do any task like open Siri or take a screenshot. So to have this feature on Android, you need the app TapTap for this. So this is the basic interface of TapTap. Oh, sorry. So before that, 1 minute. This app is not available in Play Store. Don't worry, I've given the download link in the description. You're welcome. So this is the basic interface of TapTap. Just follow the steps. Turn on accessibility on your phone by clicking on this icon. The second one, when you get into gesture, you should see 3 models, Pixel 3 XL, 4 and 4 XL. Choose any one of them. Any one of them in the list should work completely fine on your device. So the third one is action. This one decides what action you're gonna assign to your tap. I usually assign screenshot to it because that's the thing I use it the most. So the fourth one is gate. Gate is the option to prevent accidental taps. I always uncheck the display off option because even when my phone is turned off, I double tap flashlight. Hope you guys found this video informative. So if you like the way I'm doing my videos, you subscribe and hitting the bell icon would be great. So thanks guys for watching. Happy quarantine.